All right, so the overview of lean. What is the lean process? It has five principles: value, mapping the value stream, flow, implementing pull, and perfection. So value is what specifies what things create value for the patient perspective. The customer will define the value of the product in a lean supply chain, adding activities, transforming the services closer to what the patient actually wants. What we need to do is find what in the process that does not add value and is considered to be a waste in the referral process. And then mapping the value stream, identifying all the steps throughout the process and mapping it. Throughout the referral process, there's continuous steps that need to be considered if it's a waste or if it's producing value to the patient. All right, and then the third step is establishing the flow with continuous and innovation of strategies with products and services so that it links all activities and processes into the most efficient combination to maximize value while minimizing the waste within the referral process. All right, implementing pull for the fourth step. So nothing is done until it is needed by the patient. That is the main objective of implementing pull. And the last principle is perfection, striving for perfection by continuous actions of producing what the patient wants and with complete elimination of waste. That is the main objective of these five principles. All right, and how does it help within the referral process? The lean is focused on processing more with doing less work. The process is constantly trying to find ways to help improve the stance that an organization follows. Lean can help create a healthy work culture for continuous improvement to reduce waste. The factors that are in play with the lean process are the defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilization of talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and the extra processing that occurs. So when we read about lean, we don't think of how it's involved in healthcare. It's usually within the manufacturing process. So how can it relate to healthcare? Hospitals and clinics have major issues of wasted resources. Implementing this process will help customer relations and improve the quality of care that is received at the hospital. By utilizing visual management tools such as diagrams, charts, and proper tagging, it can help the efficiency of the workflow within the organization. All right, so as my personal experience, working at the health information department at Evergreen Health Hospital, I have talked to countless patients with their issues with referrals that they receive from their doctor. The biggest complaint where patients would travel to their new doctor and find that with their first encounter with them is that they still have not received the referral, or that it was written incomplete, which they would have to go back for one and ask for a new one, delaying the patient for care, and now we have to deal with unsatisfied patients, which is a big issue.